December 3rd, 2018. This is Grand Turk, and there is this beach that I'm walking along. A long stretch of beach. The sand is powdery, very fine, white, very soft beach, but it's deserted, absolutely deserted. I'm like Robinson Crusoe over here, and this is on the east side of the island of Grand Turk. The island is very small. It's about 7 square miles, and I'm on the eastern side of the island, and over there's the Atlantic Ocean. This actually sits in the Atlantic Ocean. It's pretty warm today, this afternoon. And this old building here, this building obviously has been abandoned. Look at that, look at that. Look at this. Who knows? It might have been something, a building for tourists, visitors, what have you, to come and hang out by the beach. Look at it right now, derelict. Who knows? It might have been destroyed. Well, it would have had to have been destroyed by one of the hurricanes, or some hurricane that passed by here. They had a couple of damaging hurricanes last year, 2017. I remember we had Irma, and then you had Maria. Now look at this building. Lean over, lopsided, ready to collapse. That just tells you about the force of nature, the waves, the wind. Just look at it. So the best laid plans of mice and men come a cropper, go awry. Just look at it. And look at this beach here, not a soul in sight. I'm like Robinson Crusoe, as I said. I just walked half a mile to where I'm staying, Courtney's place, Courtney's Villas, Sea View Villa, about half a mile, heading north along this beach. And I'm heading south towards the lighthouse at the end of the island. That's the Grand Turk lighthouse at the end of the island. Possibly another 15-20 minutes walk from here. So take a look. Desolation. Beautiful. Abandoned. Look at the debris. And along this beach, that's just plastic all over. All kind of plastic. It's crazy. So, okay, this is it. So if you want an island, quiet, peaceful, remote, come here, Grand Turk, okay? There's a few donkeys up there. This place is overrun. This island is overrun by donkeys. So over and out for the time being. Hasta la vista.